My name is Lizzie, Wanyoike, Principal, Nairobi Institute of Business Studies, currently NIBS Technical College. We are here because of the children who are here. This is a children's home in Kadara, Muranga, whereby I have been associating with this home for quite some time. And today I have gathered some friends, especially from students and lecturers and doctors from Kenyatta University, who are here with us to assist us, because we thought that the children need some checkups, so just in case they need any medical assistance. Another time we came because we felt that we needed to give them food, and we brought them a lot of food. Another day we are planning to come to do something different. We do this, and not only here, but in other homes. We have been to so many old homes for the elderly. We have been to such places whereby I find a calling in. I like to share what God has given me with the people who are disadvantaged, people who are not financially able. Especially now, these are kids that have no parents, but you have seen the people who are working here. They're doing a very good job. Working in a place like this is also a gift, and it's God who has actually sent them here to take care of these children who have no parents, or maybe some who have been thrown away. We are also having girls out there who are getting into early pregnancies, and they can take care of these kids, so they dump them here. There are so many reasons why this home is here. So I can say, me as NIBS College, we have teamed up also with the Lizzie Wanyoike Foundation. This is also a foundation that assists the less fortunate, or those people who are completely not able to do things like payment of school fees. Much as it is challenging because there are too many applicants. We are still trying to see the little we can get from the institution, from my personal donations. And also I'm planning maybe to try and ask people of goodwill to help this initiative, because it's very, very important. And if I look back at the students who I have taken through high school, and others through college and through universities, they have also learned the same. When you are taken care by well-wishers, you would also want to do the same. So it is just a circle that widens every time, and I'm very, very, very proud of that. And I like quoting the Bible, or getting my inspiration from the Bible, because it says those people who help the poor, God will also help them. And I have seen it happen, because now when we decided to come up with this, the university came to our rescue. And anytime you ask God something, He gives to you direct. So I'm very happy to be here. And I would appeal to more people who are there. I'm sure so many of you don't know what to do with the money they have. Maybe this is one of the projects, and so many others where you can go and donate something, food stuffs, or even you can also organize with medical practitioners who can come here and also help these and others. I chose, first of all, this county. It's my county. I come from here, and I felt that I should start there and then work with the people from the county. I have invited some of the politicians here, and I'm waiting for them to come much later so that we can work together with them to grow our county. Our county is a county that is developing, and that has a lot of potential, and so many people who can also come together and we work together to benefit the less privileged in society. I would really appreciate those people who are watching me, especially from Muranga County. If we have this, we can always team up. Everybody has something to give. We can contribute in way of transport, in way of cash, in way of anything, so that at least we can eradicate the poverty in our county.